Stop scrolling if you want to earn passive income without ever showing your face. Imagine waking up to new followers, fresh engagement, and money rolling in, all from videos you didn't have to film yourself. Sounds unreal? Meet AutoShorts, your secret weapon for launching faceless video channels on Autopilot. No camera, no awkward scripts, no endless editing headaches. Just pick a topic, like interesting history or scary stories, or customize your own unique niche. Choose a narration voice that fits your vibe perfectly, then let AutoShorts generate captivating scripts, titles, and videos in minutes. Preview, tweak, and schedule your content, all from one sleek, easy-to-use dashboard. Want to keep your audience hooked and coming back for more? Enable comments and set your videos to go live exactly when your viewers are most active. With AutoShorts, you're not just making videos. You're building a brand, stacking passive income, and reclaiming your time for what truly matters. Ready to become a faceless video hero and unlock your side hustle potential? Drop a comment or hit the link and start your journey now.